So when it comes to electronic devices such as smartwatches, water resistance or waterproofing is an important consideration. So you might be thinking, is the Galaxy Watch 6 or Watch 6 Classic waterproof? Can I go swim with it? And what does those ratings, the 5 ATM rating or IP68 rating or even the military standard 810 rating mean? Well, in short, IP68 means the device is dust tight and can withstand being submerged in water up to 1.5 meters, about 5 feet deep, for up to 30 minutes. That's the default one, and it's also the same for the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. This rating is based on a series of tests that measures the device's ability to resist the ingress of dust and water. The first digit of IP rating, in this case 6, indicates the level of protection against solid objects, and 6 is the best rating for the dust ingress, while the second digit, in this case 8, indicates the level of protection against water. Now this is not the exactly best one, but best for all the electronic devices. So now you're probably thinking, what is 5 ATM rating? This 5 ATM rating means the device can withstand the pressure equivalent to being submerged in water up to 50 meters, about 164 feet deep, but also for a certain amount of time. In the case of Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classics, it's actually 10 minutes. Now, this rating is determined by ISO and is often used for devices like smartwatches or watches that are designed to be worn while swimming or diving. So you can definitely go swimming or diving with the Galaxy Watch 6 or Watch 6 Classic. Now finally, the military standard 810 rating. Well, it's a military standard rating that specifies a series of tests that a device must pass to be considered rugged and durable. And this includes a test of water resistance as well as resistance to shock, vibration, extreme temperatures even. So this is not specifically meant for water resistance, but for everything else. Now you might be thinking, so what that does all mean? Is it waterproof? Well, it's important to note that water resistance is not same as waterproofing. A waterproof device is actually completely impervious to water and can be submerged indefinitely without being damaged. However, even a highly water-resistant device like Watch 6 or Watch 6 Classic can still be damaged by water if it's subjected to conditions beyond its rating. For example, if the watch is exposed to water at a high pressure or exposed to water for a prolonged period of time, it may still be damaged. And there are many other factors too, like that can affect the performance of a device inside water, like temperature, like sauna and stuff like that. That is never good for smartwatches for more than 10 minutes. Chemicals or even salt water isn't good for smartwatches like this. So in conclusion, the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classics are designed to be water resistant, and their IP68, 5 ATM and military standard 810 ratings indicate a certain level of protection against water damage. That also means the normal splashes, the rain and stuff like that won't really affect the device at all. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. How important these ratings are for you when you are thinking of a smartwatch, or these things doesn't matter to you at all.
And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.